Welcome to the Pre-University Malaysia Innovation Competition. My name is Chia Chuping. Today, I would like to share my title is a Visualize a Bohr atomic model through role-play learning. This is our group member from Selangor Matriculation College. Our topic discussion today is a postulates Bohr atomic model, which is used to explain the formation of line spectrum. The three postulates were state orbit or contain certain specific energy about quantum energy, electron travel and permitted orbit with allowed energy state, and the energy is emitted or absorbed when the electron change from one energy level to another energy level. So students need to master the three postulates so that can help them to do the calculation and to sketch the energy level diagram and the line spectrum. However, we found that 60% students say that they have difficulty to imagine the concept and the process, and 30% of students feel like the subject is very hard and do not know how to apply the formula, and 20% students thought the concept is too abstract for them to understand. We create a lesson, we use a role-play learning to solve the problem. So, role-play is a product of a play, games, and simulation where the student perform the activity to achieve the learning outcome. So, the advantage of a role-play learning is encourage a deeper understanding of content and the development of a communication and the collaborative skill. Besides that, students can involve themselves in a real situation and practice the situation so they can more understand the Bohr postulate. So, this method also against the conventional teaching method, so where students involve themselves in the construct and clarify the concept. Our objective is to enhance students' understanding in Bohr postulate by using the role-play learning. With the objective 1, students were able to state electron travel at orbit with quantized energy. 2, students were able to describe the conditioned energy of the electron when electron travel at orbit. 3, students were able to differentiate the process when electron absorb or release energy. The material we use is simple and related with our daily life, where the rocks is represent the orbit, the card represent the energy level, and the milk packaging is represent the quantum of the energy. The process of innovation is start from the pre-test followed by the role-play learning and ending with the post-test. The pre and post test is divided by 3 parts where is according to the objective. We prepare to set out the role play at outdoor, so where we're using the ropes to build out the different energy level, we label it. And then the meal packaging is represent the energy for the different energy level. Step 1. To represent the electron travel at orbit with specific energy, students carry the 1 mailbox at energy level n equals to 1. So 1 mailbox is represent specific energy or a package of energy, or we call quantized energy. Step 2. To represent the electron travel and permitted orbit with allowable energy state, student at n equals 1 will carry 1 mailbox, and student at n equals to 2 will carry 2 mailbox. So at the same time, teacher will ask about does the amount of mailbox will decrease when travel at orbit. So student will answer the question. Step 3. Electron must gain certain amount of energy to undergo excitation. So students jump to high energy level when they get 1 more mailbox. So we will ask the question, if a student get half mailbox, is the electron were excited? At the same time, we ask where is the n initial and n final. Electron at high energy level is unstable, and forward to lower energy level, we release a specific amount of energy in terms of photon. So this is the emission process. So students throw the 1 mailbox when forward to lower energy level. So teacher will ask the question, what happens when electron fall down and how to calculate energy or wavelength release. And students need to identify what is the n initial and n final. The benefit of the learning Bohr postulate using the role play is allow students to demonstrate their understanding, explore their views, and develop deeper understanding of Bohr postulate. Role play learning able to change a complex concept become easily and enhance students' imagination. Outdoor activities create an interesting environment to engage students understand the concept. The material we use is simple and related to the daily life. Additional, to encourage teaching during the role play enhance students' understanding. The result pre and post test show increasing of the 27.3% for practicum S1 K4 T5 and 58% for S3 K3 T1. For practicum S1 K4 T5, the pre and post test for objective 1 and 3 show increasing except objective 2. For practicum S3 K3 T1, the pre and post test for the objective 1, 2, 3 show increasing. From student feedback, role play learning helped them to imagine and understand the Bohr postulate. 75% students agree that the role play helped them understand details about Bohr postulate. 80% students very agree demonstration helped them to understand and imagine the Bohr postulate. 100% students like the role play method and like the learning outside of the classroom. From the feedback of the lecturers, actually Bohr postulate is a challenging topic for teachers to explain the concept. So with the application of the role play learning, it made the process of deliver the content become more concrete and interesting. The activity involved is a two-way communication where encourage more discussion between the lecturer and students. Lecturer may feel more confidence to plan and handle more lessons involve the students' activity, and students really enjoy the class and excited with the activity. So the innovation of method through the sharing section will improve the competency of the lecturers. Role-play learning is able to enhance ability of students to visualize the Bohr atomic model, which is a 21st century activity, student-centered activity, hands-on with role-play and learn from doing. And the last one, this is a meaningful learning.